everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, on this video we are going to be making meat pie. Yes, so yummy and delicious meat pie. Over here are all my ingredients. Over here I have 2 kg of flour here. I have salt here. I have about 6 eggs over here. This is my butter. I have some butter, about 1 kg of butter here. I have my baking powder here, and over here I have my water. So I already mixed this water with condensed milk. You can replace it with sugar or any sweetener of your choice. So what we are going to be doing, first of all, I've already washed my hands. I'm going to be adding my flour into the bowl. So guys, what I'm going to be doing now is to add my salt. I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of salt to it. Then I'm also going to be adding my baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to be adding because I'm using 2 packages, which is about 2 kg. Is what I'm using. So that is why I just need to add those one to it. And I'm just going to, mix it together. Yeah. So the next stage now is adding my butter. I'm going to be adding my butter. This butter has been in room temperature for the past 12 hours. So as you can see, it's very, very soft. So I'm going to continue to mix, mix, mix. So guys, this is how it looks after I properly mix it with the butter. So this is how it looks. So what I'm going to be doing now is to add my eggs to it. I'm going to be adding the 6 eggs. While we continue to mix. Guys, I just finished kneading now. So what I'm going to do is to cover it with my plastic foil and take it to the fridge to rest for about 20 minutes where we began from there. So this dough is going to the fridge right away. So I'm going to allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. Guys, what I did, I just brought it out from the fridge. So what I did was just to knead it for just about 3 minutes and it's ready. So what we are going to be doing now is just to start to cut our meat pie. So I'm going to show you guys what I do the rest of. So over here I have my filling. This is my filling. I already did this video. I have this video. So that video will be going out before this meat pie. So I'm going to be using my meat pie cutter. So you can use plate or anything of your choice to cut it. It doesn't have to be a meat pie cutter. If you have it, fine. If you don't have it, just use whatever you have or whatever that works for you. Yeah guys, this is it. So I'm going to do the rest of camera when I'm back, putting it in the oven, then I will show you guys. Guys, I just finished, so it just came out from the oven right away. So what we are going to be doing now is just to open it. Let me show you guys how it looks in there. Did you guys see this? It looks so yummy and tasty. Look at in there. So yummy and tasty meat pie. And if you know you have watched up to this extent and you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the red button that says subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you also so much. And if you know you are hungry, my address is at the description box below. Hurry now so we can just use our mineral to whack it. See you all in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon.